I want to state very clearly that the earlier petition by Azimio to ICC is very active. And we want to encourage the United Nations and ICC to note the events of this week. One, the President William Ruto chaired a meeting that planned anarchy on the people of Kenya at State House. Number two, the suspension of the Constitution by those in KK Alliance, particularly Article 37 of the Constitution. Three, the killings that went on last week. And as Azimio, we have profiled all the people who died, and all of them died as a result of shootings by the police. Thirdly, the statements attributed to one Kindiki, who ironically was a lawyer at the ICC. Two, Gachagua. And three, Moses Kuria threats on Baba. We are asking ICC, please take note of what is happening in this country so that we have the commencement of our petition before the ICC so that these people are brought to book. And lastly, we are aware, we have information that governors, and some of them Azimio governors, have been instructed to spend county money on hiring militias to attack people. We are asking governors that we are watching you. Any money spent to pay goons to attack peaceful demonstration shall be recovered from you, and you will be prosecuted for using public money to organize goons to attack peaceful demonstrators. Thank you.
Okay. I think that's